In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can convert a PDF document to a Word document. So to achieve this, you need to go to seda.com. The link will be in the description of this video, right? So let's close that. Now once you're on the website, you're going to go under the tools menu, and under convert from PDF, you're going to select PDF to Word document online. Then upload your file that you want to convert, then choose your layout, then select download to download your file. So I'm just going to select download now, open folder, and here I have my Word document. So let's open, and this is what it actually looked like, right? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.